And now we go along into John Lewis and to the lifts here, which aren't actually Moortown 2. The lifts in John Lewis are some nice third generation eco discs. These lifts go from lower ground parking, car park mezzanine, ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor of John Lewis. Let's ride them! We're now going outside of the main part of Westfields and to the side car park. Now the side car park just explores parking 1 up to parking 9 and does not form part of the main floor numbering in the shopping centre. And now go along to the main lifts here, which are just more Otis Gen 2s and aren't really that interesting. But what is interesting about this car park is there's 2 whole lifts that never get used. These are the fireman's lifts, and just because the lift's fireman's lift does not at any point mean it can't be used in regular service. I don't know why the sign's up saying do not use the lift, this is a fireman's lift, as it's a waste of a lift. 2 lifts in this car park completely not used. Very odd. So now let's go along to the first one of these lifts. Please do not use! This is a fireman's lift and it's not for public use. Oh come on, just having a sign like that. I've got to ride that now, haven't I? I've just got to ride it after I put a big sign on it. So into the lift we go. Actually no, I could go one better. Let's put the lift into fire mode. And now, along we go up to the other end of the car park, where there is a sign saying emergency use only, alarm and CCTV in use. Now that's just a dare to me, isn't it? I've just got to ride that lift.
Car parking level 2. Going down. Going up. Doors closing. Doors opening. Car parking level 1. Going up. Going down. Doors closing.
And now, coming out of Westfields and along we go to the Premier Inn. And the lifts here are some really nice Schindler MRLs. Now time for my diving lesson. So along we go to outside of the Olympic swimming pool, also known as the Aquatic Centre, and to the little outside Schindler MRL. now go into the Olympic Swing Ball Aquatic Centre and to the really nice Schindler MRLs. Right then, we now go on to Westfields White City. But before we go into Westfields itself, we first go into the little shopping centre opposite and into an eco-disc which goes down to Sports Direct in the basement. But for some weird reason, the basement button's a green button, the fire exit, which it isn't, so that's a bit odd. And now go into the main lift in this shopping centre. Now I've seen some pretty cheap and crap generics, but this one is just so freaking cheap. For hydraulic rams, this is so flimsy and the whole lift is total crap. And now go into Westfields White City.